In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Vlookup with duplicate values in Excel for Business Analyst course. In this lesson, you will set up a small dataset, then use an advanced lookup formula that can correctly handle duplicate course entries. The key idea is that when a value appears more than once, you need a way to tell Excel which occurrence you mean, and then return the matching score for that specific occurrence. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and look at the header row. You will be placing 3 fields in the first group of columns. Type the course ID into cell A1, the student name into cell B1, and the score into cell C1. Take a moment to confirm that the headers read correctly, because clear column names make it much easier to verify your results later. Next, you will set up a second, matching area where you will choose your target course and occurrence. Type target course into cell E1, occurrence into cell F1, and matching score into cell G1. This structure will let you enter a course code and a specific repeat number, and then see the score that corresponds to that exact duplicate entry. Now you are ready to enter the example data that includes duplicates. Fill cells A2 to A5 with duplicate tracking entries: BA101, BA101, BA102, and BA101. As you enter these values, notice that BA101 appears multiple times. That is what makes this example important, because simple lookups often return only the first match. Then fill cells B2 to B5 with student analyst names: Alice, Bob, Charlie, and David. Even though the names are not part of the final formula output, they help you visually confirm that each row represents a different analyst and different score. After that, fill cells C2 to C5 with performance metrics 88, 95, 70, and 91. At this point, your table is complete. It shows course IDs, student names, and scores, with BA101 repeated across several rows. Spend a quick second scanning to ensure the rows line up correctly, because the formula will rely on these exact ranges. Next, you will define the values you want to search for. Type your filtering target BA101 into cell E2 and type occurrence number 2 into cell F2. This means you are not just asking for BA101 in general. You are specifically asking for the second occurrence of BA101 within the list. Now, move to the output location. Click on cell G2 to select your duplicate handling calculation destination field. This is the cell where the formula will return the matching score based on both the course code and the occurrence you specified. Once G2 is selected, you will enter the Vlookup formula designed to handle duplicates by combining the course ID and occurrence count. Type the formula exactly as follows into cell G2, $Vlookup E2, choose CH1 to A2, A5, and countif in direct like A2, A and row, A2, A5, C2, C5, 2, falsel. After you paste it, take a moment to verify that the parentheses and commas are correct and that the formula appears in full without truncation. Finally, because this formula uses an array expression, you must process it properly. Press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys together to process this analyst array. This step is important because it tells Excel to evaluate the formula as an array so that it can calculate occurrence tags across the duplicate rows and then return the correct score. After pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Enter, check cell G2. You should see the matching score for BA101 occurrence number 2, which corresponds to the second BA101 entry in your dataset. And that covers everything you need to know.